Okay, so basically what we're doing today is we're gonna have a kayak accessory kind of modification thing. But I'm not planning on adding a whole lot to this kayak because I'm trying to save up. And as you can see, what I have is really cheap. Sorry, excuse me, it's a little dirty and stuff. I took it out in the water yesterday. And my friend actually just made that anchor when he lost the pole. He was trying to make a drag. And I'm gonna use it as an anchor now, just so I don't have to spend some money. So basically what we have here is we have one of those Steinlight or Sterilite bigger milk crates than the normal ones, and then those plastic lids to the like 50-gallon tubs or whatever you call them. It's just a lid and we cut it to size. And here, what we have here is just a rock. We have a rock and a potato chip bag. And I don't know why I had it, but I have a 25-foot stringer, and we just tied it up, so I'm going to cut the stringer off a little bit and keep it as a stringer, and then add an extension to it, because the river I fish at is pretty freaking deep, I'm not going to lie. So, this mod, it makes this boat where it can hold six poles. But I never use 6 poles, hardly ever. So what I use in here is I have a catfish one there, and I have my spinning reel, and then I have a bait caster right there, and then I usually have my net here, and then sometimes I'll hold my friends in those two, but I could probably put something in there. I might end up putting my net in there. I don't know. This is great because it's like perfect size for my tackle box. So I can just set my tackle box there, and then I can set like some snacks back in there. Catfish bait too. And it's a little pole holder thingy, which I don't think I want to add any on the sides because I'm just trying to save up. My next kayak will definitely have a lot of modifications. And this is the Castaway 100. Really nice scarred kayak, I will admit. Back here I put a little ice box or lunch box, whatever, with some drink, and my friends, because I never really go by myself. It's more for my friends. We all go together. So there's these little like ledges right there. There's a little bitty ledge right there, and so it kind of made this thing uneven. So I added some wood in this strap. I drilled 2 holes into there and there, and just ran that cord all the way through. But I just really wanted this so it would hold stuff on the bottom and nothing would go through those holes. Really nice for not a starting fisherman. I'm not like a starter. I've been fishing my whole life, but it's really nice for, I guess you could say, starting out trying to become a really big fisherman. And it's really nice having a boat. That way you don't have to spend a few thousand, maybe whatever, on big boats. Heck, you don't have to spend over this right here, this whole mod right here, with the kayak, everything there. And I had a towel and a little seat cushion whenever I actually go, because, uncomfortable. But whenever I go, it's a really comfortable. It's not real comfortable. It's so. This whole thing is probably about, what would you say? I don't remember exactly what the kayak cost. It's either $250 or $150. I'm sure you can get this thing for like $150. And so the total thing is probably about, with all this, about alright, I'm just gonna go with, alright, so whatever the boat was, $250, $150, whatever. So I'm gonna say you can get it for $150 because I'm sure you can, because it's a little old. So I'm gonna go with, it's just gonna be about $165, and this whole modification is pretty set. And that was a $3 stringer, so I gotta say $169, whatever, taxes and crap like that. So yeah, I'm probably gonna end up putting a rod holder pole thingy. I don't know. And then I might put some straps onto there because that can go on my new kayak. But yeah, and I broke that strap. But this is really great. I use this for the free often, and it's just a really nice kayak. I like it a lot. And stability is not that great. You want to stay sitting. So yeah, and I was thinking about putting a hole into there, drill a hole in there, and drilling a hole back there. But then I got that, and I'm like, nah. And this, my new kayak is just gonna, hopefully my new one, it's just gonna be so much more storage. And I might as well not even waste my time because I just put some, because my foot goes about here. So I have this right up there for storage and stuff like that. Actually, that's where I put my catfishing bait, because the river that I fish at, which is the Medina River, which is not very far from my house, it's a very deep river, maybe about 20-30 foot in most parts. Actually, my friend caught a bass the other day, right under the bridge. I might be posting that. I might be posting something about that. I have a video, but it's kind of wacky, terrible filming because I just had it on my phone. It's not that good, but yeah, I'll try and post a lot of pictures. I'll try and post a lot of videos, and a lot of them are going to be of me on the Medina River and with my new kayak. With this here boat, it will be probably just the Medina River, maybe some small ponds, lake. But when I get my new one, maybe small. Maybe I want to go to the Medina Lake and maybe some offshore, not offshore, bay fishing because my cousins live up in the Rockport area. So yeah, just give me a like and thumbs up, and I'll show you some more mods and leave some comments. Thank you.